Justin, that was a fail. That was a fail. Shut up. That nigga in the water. Go orbit that dude. He done. He's attempting to swim. He's saying we in game chat. Justin, when you watch these on YouTube, you're gonna see how fake it is. The world is gonna see how fake GTA is. So now I have so much memory on my iPod now. Son, I can I can record hours of game play. I love High Sea Orange. Justin, Justin, just on my screen, our tail flew off and then immediately came back on. Who? Oh, he's gay. I don't know who that is, so he's gay. Oh, alright, well, he's gay.